What if you could see exactly where build activity is originating? Builds categorized by specific tools and environments, like development or your crucial CI pipelines. What if this intricate build data wasn't just thrown at you, but presented so simply and clearly that you could immediately use it to make informed, strategic decisions? That's exactly what Develocity Analytics delivers. Develocity Analytics provides key benefits for understanding and optimizing your software development processes. The Global Volume Dashboard offers a comprehensive view of all software builds, enabling cross-project analysis to pinpoint projects needing attention. This is especially beneficial in environments with many projects, allowing easy reporting on various build and test aspects across all organizational builds and quickly understanding overall build health. This dashboard provides a high-level view of your entire build system by displaying the total number of projects. Next, we look at total builds. Examining the total number of builds reveals overall build activity. Develocity Analytics calculates the total build time across all projects, offering a comprehensive view for identifying bottlenecks and optimization opportunities. Now let's examine a more granular view. Develocity Analytics breaks down projects, builds, and build time by build tool and environment. This reveals which tools or environments consume the most time, indicating where to focus optimization efforts for informed decisions. This initially reveals areas for deeper investigation by highlighting unexpected build time distributions across tools. For instance, you might discover significant time consumed by less common tools, prompting analysis of specific projects or configurations impacting performance. Additionally, the build time distribution guides resource allocation. Persistently slow builds could indicate the need for increased capacity or tool upgrades. The Build Failures dashboard offers a comprehensive view of build failures across your organization, allowing teams to rapidly identify the source of issues. This accelerates the debugging process and minimizes downtime. Need to confirm a hunch about increasing build failures? Check the Trends panel. The first question to ask is, why are our builds suddenly failing more often? Develocity Analytics could show a clear spike in build failures, confirming and quantifying the increase. View project-specific failure data to pinpoint where issues are concentrated. Dashboard data can further be filtered to the project with increased failures. Build chaos leads to wasted time, developer burnout, and release delays. Gain comprehensive insights into your build lifecycle and reveal the overall health of your organization's projects through intuitive dashboards. Ready to take control of your builds? Discover the power of Develocity Analytics today.